decide between pie and cake for Thanksgiving? No need. Make my sweet potato pie pound cake. You can start this in any order, booze, but let's kick it off with the sweet potato. Personally, I love to poke that potato all over and toss it in the microwave, then pull it out, and while it's still warm, peel it carefully. You can, of course, bake if you have the time. That's my preferred method, but to keep this a little quicker, we go in with the microwave. Drop it in a bowl, add some butter, and mash it up super good. And if you want to brown that butter, booze, go ahead and show out. Now, grab your frozen pie crust. And if you want homemade, go check out my recipe on grandbaby-cakes.com. But take that frozen pie crust, brush on some butter, sprinkle sugar and cinnamon, and pop in the oven for about 10 minutes. Now let's get to this cake. Add your butter, your granulated sugar, and brown sugar and cream it together. Add your eggs one at a time. And for your dry mix, I've got some cake flour, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Mix it all together and add that in slowly. But don't you dare overmix, y'all. We ain't making no tough cake. Then you're gonna add your vanilla extract and your sour cream. Mix it up and look at that goodness. The pie crust is done, so break that into pieces. Try not to snack on it all, y'all. It's good. And add those pieces to the pan first. Then we're gonna alternate dollops of 1/3 of the cake batter and the sweet potato filling. Swirl that gently with a toothpick, a skewer, or a fork, or even a knife, just like I'm doing. Keep repeating until you run out, and try not to disturb those pie pieces. We're gonna bake at 325 for about an hour and 5 minutes, but keep an eye on it, y'all. Everybody's oven runs differently. Finally, for the glaze, I've got powdered sugar in a bowl. Add the cinnamon, vanilla, and milk, mix it up, and drizzle that right on top of this gorgeous cake. Now look how beautiful this is, y'all. Usually every Thanksgiving, I just have to have classic sweet potato pie, Big Mama style, okay? But this right here, this sweet potato pie pound cake is giving that a run, okay? It's giving that a run. I mean, y'all know I love pound cake. I'm queen of pound cakes. Sweet potato pie inside a pound cake. Chef's kiss, all right? You got the crunch from the pie. You got the spices, the warm spices throughout. And then you got that swirl of sweet potato pie filling all inside a buttery, tender, melt in your mouth pound cake. It's too good, y'all. Y'all gotta make this for the holidays and beyond. Make all the Big Back Nation proud of you. All right, booze?